Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today's video, we are going to talk about how to put eBay money into your bank account, which is a simple process. First of all, you need to be a seller, of course. So by selling on eBay, you will get money. But this money that you are going to get is actually money that's going to be stuck within the eBay wallet. So it's not going to be sent directly into your wallet since there is some kind of rules and things to take in consideration. For example, if the buyer has cancelled the order or basically they need a refund since the order hasn't been sent to him at all, or simply just because the product wasn't in the quality that he was expecting it to be. So the money that you are going to receive from eBay is going to stay locked for a while before you can start withdrawing it. Now, let's say that the period of locked money has been done, then you simply have to go here into your account, and here you will find basically selling, and here you will find your sold. So here your sold, you will have any orders. So here you'll find like the order, etc., what you have sold, and so go on. And finally here your payments. So here let me just log into my account just like that, and there we go. And once I have done that, what will be next is pretty simple. I'm just going to choose a payment method which I would like to receive my money with it. Now here, because we are going into the payment process, then they will be needing a lot of securities things from captcha to other things. I don't know. I'm doing this over and over again. But yeah, this is something very necessary that every one of you guys is going to go through it. So this is good that it has been shown within my video here, so you can exactly know what to do. So here for myself now, I have this account that has been blocked because my country is not eligible to be using this platform. But anyway, if you enrolled in managed payment, visit this seller hub or my eBay to view your outstanding balance and make a one-time payment. But like otherwise, this page will be good for you in case you are not in an eligible country, which will give you all the things necessary. For example, they will give you the countries, or basically to choose your country, and basically from there they will give you all the payment processor that they actually can send to them money within your country. But usually the most common one will be PayPal. Other than that, it depends on your country, and maybe you will find even some cryptocurrency. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.